morning, Marcus.
What's up, Misty?
I have a friend coming by tonight.
That's a first.
Right? We used to perform together back before I moved to the city.
Well, it's been a slow month, so I'm taxing the cover.
That's fine. Just be friendly to her.
I feel like I'm feeling everybody.
Sure you are. Just remember to smile.
Uh-huh.
Lonely, I guess sometimes. Feelings can't even begin to speak on how they make me feel. If this is real, every moment like it was.
It's a $50 cover.
50?
Uh-huh.
That's what I need. Baby, see mama done turned on me. If it has to be so, I'll let you know I'm drowning in my head, oh, can't get no control. I'm drowning, help me. Thank you, everyone. So, welcome to the Windup.
Thank you. Amazing performance as always.
As always, I've been watching her sing here since she wore braces. Back where Chuck ran the place.
I would have loved to see the braces.
I bet you would. Coco, 2 gin martinis with a twist.
Sure thing, boss.
So, how long are you in the city for?
I just booked a hostel for tonight, but I'm not on a schedule or anything. I'm just driving up the coast, stopping anywhere that seems cool.
It'd be nice to have a summer break. How about you take me with you?
Oh!
Shit. Oh my fucking God. Hey, Caesar, can you hear me?
Hello, Mary.
Oh, there you go.
Come on, buddy.
I'll give you $200 to send me to the hospital right now.
Don't forget these.
300.
Deal. I miss hearing you play.
I barely get to play anymore since I started teaching. Must be nice. Have your own place to perform at every night?
I guess. It's one of the cool things about owning a bar. Most of the time, this place is a fucking headache.
Checkmate, baby, let's go! Yeah! I told y'all, man. Free drinks on the house for life.
They can't stop us.
For life, man.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, come on, God. They can't stop us. They can't stop us. Bro,
You actually lost.
Yup.
There's no point in your little chess promotion if you lose. Round of shots for everybody.
that's 3 of them on the house.
Sure you need another one, boss?
Excuse me?
What? I'm just trying to do my fucking job. You were the one who told me to stop getting fucked up at work because it's my fault that you drink every day, right? Is it also my fault that this place is going under even though you're not paying me or Marcus? Everything was good for decades when Chuck was around, but as soon as you took over...
Now, Coco.
Is there like a secret exit back here or something?
Nope. Home sweet home. Take be with you tomorrow.
Are you sure? Okay. Well, I'll call you in the morning and